the top. You just can't beat the view in this cozy cowl neck from JCPenney. Give it top billing or play it down, because this catchy little number can pull it off in a burst of pretty pastels. It's one textured sweater that's sure to tickle your fancy, and it's just $16. So look sharp. It's going to be anything but lonely at the top, only at JCPenney.
Don't move or you won't look good for the class pictures. What are you doing?
You smell good.
I what? Joey, will you let me finish?
You're fresh. It's so fresh.
That's close-up.
Close-up toothpaste?
Why do you think they call it close-up? It's got real mouthwash to freshen my breath, and it gets my teeth as white as they can be. There, take a look.
Nope. I'd rather look at you.
Whiter teeth, fresh breath. Why do you think they call it close-up?
You boys look kind of, thirsty.
Hey, we give us some all liquor.
Bull or dynamite?
Dynamite.
Colt 45's an explosion, loaded with dynamite taste. So grab one, down one, get yourself a round one. Colt 45 is the dynamite taste.
Say, you guys need a bat boy?
Hello, boys. Stereo Mary says, listen up. New info here. Pacific Trading is open 7 days a week, so you can run down any day and buy a Sanyo AM/FM cassette car stereo with Jensen coaxial speakers. Choose 6-inch door mount or 6x9 rear deck mount for only $159. Or how about pocket cassette with lightweight headphones for only $59? Pacific Trading Company buy bankruptcies, too. Need any more reasons to check them out? Just tell them Stereo Mary sent you.
Great holiday meals begin at Fred Meyer. In the meat market, look for savings on USDA Choice full-cut round steak, just $1.78 a pound, and save with cash dividends. You get a cash dividend coupon for every dollar you spend. One saver filled with 36 coupons lets you buy cash dividend specials, and this week there are 28 to choose from, like a dozen eggs for 23 cents or a half gallon of Mighty Fine ice cream for 69 cents with a filled saver. Fred Meyer, where great holiday meals begin.
Sorry, no experience, no job.
But where do I get the experience?
Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. We don't ask for experience, we give it. You won't read it in a book, you live it. Pick a service, pick a challenge, set yourself apart. Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. What a great place, it's a great place to start.
No little cinnamon gum freshens breath longer than Big Red.
So kiss a little longer, dance a little longer, romance a little longer, longer with Big Red. That Big Red freshness lasts right through it. Your fresh breath goes on and on. While you chew it, say goodbye a little longer, make it last a little longer. Give your breath long-lasting freshness with Big Red.
Some people think the 1982 Ronald McDonald Sticker Fun Coloring Calendar is just for fun.
Yep.
While others think it's for saving money.
Absolutely.
Well, it's both.
There's sticker fun for every month.
And every month I get a McDonald's money-saving coupon.
The 1982 Ronald McDonald Coloring Calendar.
For fun.
For savings.
For everybody.
The Ronald McDonald Coloring Calendar, now available at participating McDonald's while supplies last.
You must have been a beautiful baby. You must have been a beautiful child. Do you remember Mama saying, drink your milk each day and you'll grow up with a beautiful smile. And look at you now, you're a winner. Every move how smooth I sail. Here's to all you beautiful babies, drinking beautiful milk.
Hey baby, drink your milk. Stereo Sam here. Feast your eyes on this all-new Kenwood Spectrum Series home system, a 56-watt AM/FM stereo receiver, plus this metal-capable Dolby cassette recorder, this 7-band graphic equalizer, a semi-automatic direct-drive turntable with magnetic cartridge, and a 12-inch three-way speaker system. Regular $1,374. Friday through Monday is just $699 while supplies last. Save almost half and get this stereo cabinet free at Stereo Superstores, where we guarantee to beat anybody's current advertised price.
If you're curious about what makes things tick, how the facts stack up, what's new under the sun, or in your own backyard, watch PM Magazine. Because when it comes to facts, families, food, fashion, fame, fads, and forecasts, we're as curious about life as you are.
PM Magazine, weeknights at 7:30 on Channel 8.
I did it, and I'm glad. I colored and conditioned my hair with Nice and Easy. And look at me. All this gorgeous color where I used to be mousy. And my hair's actually better conditioned than before I colored it. But the best part is, this soft, shiny look and feel will last longer than with any other hair color. Nice and Easy. You can do it too.
Nice and Easy. It sells the most, it conditions the most.
Franz Premium Bread, the good, nutritious bread. Here's why. First, we mix premium quality ingredients, including select Northwest hard wheat flour. After the kneaded dough rises, we cut it into pieces, roll it, twist it, and bake it into golden brown loaves. Then we quickly seal in the flavor and freshness. Baking the good bread is more than reputation, it's tradition.
Franz bread, the good bread, flavor beyond compare.